Time to talk about everyone's favorite brown courier, the one and only, UPS. It began the year in its brown uniforms and trucks, continuing a great climb to a perfect bearish engulfing peak. Since that fateful February 12th, it's been driving down and really put the pedal to the metal when the rest of the market tanked in March. Now it's seemingly turning that frown upside down. Pattern-chasing people would call this a potential reverse head and shoulders, which has a clear neckline region where those bullhammer candles formed with gaps between them. Incidentally, this is also around the nice round 100 mark, creating a clear threshold for traders and investors to reference. Whether UPS can get past this will of course depend in large part on external forces, since global markets are going to be heavily influenced by the course of the Iran war, as well as its own quarterly report releasing at the end of the month. With that in mind, don't be surprised if the next 1 to 2 weeks see flat and uneventful trading, seeing as how volume is still well below normal. In the case UPS digests good news to deliver a bounce, the best bullish sentiment would still face significant resistance approaching the 115 to 120 area, nearing the previous peak. Falling under the recent downswings in the mid to low 90s would likely only become a serious scenario in the event the Iran war escalates, alongside a disappointing reaction to earnings. In such a case, strong daily selling volume over 10 million could still slow down a bit when crashing towards the next major support range in the upper 80s, that's defined by the partially filled gap-up region from last year.